Imagine using a compressor becomes so simple. Yes, the Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor does that. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can actually use the Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor. If you are new to compressor, this compressor is crazy. Let's do this right after the intro. So the name is Godsa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment. I subscribed. All right, guys. So we are in the FL Studio now. Let's listen to this ad-lib first. That's pretty simple. So we're gonna route this to the mixer track 5, as you can see over here. Then let's move on to the mixer track. It's time for you to introduce the Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor. And guys, this is coming from Auto-Tune. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is to select the input type. I'm gonna stick to the auto tenor. Then the compression, we're gonna select minimal. Then start, we're gonna choose clean vocals. Right after that, guys, all you need to do is to hit the length, and you can see waiting. Check here, you can see input type is waiting. And now let's play our vocals. You can see predicting. Alright, so guys, now you can see we have compressor 1 and compressor 2, the modern and the up to B. You can see the threshold is now negative 7.5 dB. It gives you ratio 2.0. Then you can also see the gain. Then the knee, if you are cool with that, let's check the compressor 2. It gives you the negative 26.2 dB. Then the ratio also is set for you. If you are cool with that, all you need to do is to hit apply. And guys, now listen to this vocals. That's crazy, right? The vocals have been compressed. And one thing I really love about this Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor is also the compressor type. You can see we have the FET. Enable the FET compression on the stage 1 compressor based on the most popular FET compressor. This fast attacking compressor is known for being snappy with transient signals such as those generated by vocals and percussive sounds. Best used for taming peak in the first stage of a serial compression setup. Now the next compressor is the Opto-A. Select the Opto-A style compressor on the stage 1 compressor. Emulate a classic tube compressor known for its slow and warm sound. So if you are going for slow and warm sound, the Opto-A is cool for you. This is best used as the second stage compressor. Then now we move to Opto-B. You can see select the Opto-B compressor on the stage 1 compressor. Emulate a widely used opto compressor for vocals known for its slow opto style attack and signature tube warmth. Then you can also get the modern compressor type over here. Select the modern compressor on the stage 1 compressor known as the transparent problem solver. Now this compression style has no color or warmth to the signal and features more utility options, making it best for problem solving. Best used in single mode. Alright, so guys, you can also get the compressor type. So what you're gonna do is to play the vocals whilst browsing or switching the compressor types over here. So let's do that. So I'm gonna switch to the FET. Hear the difference? You can see the compressor. So now guys, using compressor had now become super simple. If you are not cool with that, you can browse over here, and guys, look at all these presets from Antares and also popular presets from popular artists and top producers. All right, if you are going for bass guitar, whether you are making beats or mixing vocals, the Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor might be the best compressor for your vocals or instrument. Now let's check some of the presets from Antares. And one thing I really love about this compressor is to enable the auto-tune pitch filter. When this is enabled, the sidechain filter will automatically track and follow the fundamental pitch of the vocals. Guys, this is crazy. So this is gonna follow the fundamental pitch from the auto-tune that you're gonna use. So let's enable this, and guys, listen to how this is gonna straighten up and make our vocals more nicer. So now you hear the difference. That's super simple. That's super simple. If this video helps you, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Antares had not sponsored this video, but you know what? To me, Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor is the best compressor. Now imagine your vocals comes with AI compressor, which is gonna speed up your production. Guys, now that you know how to compress your vocals using Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor, then watch the next video to know how to download Auto-Tune Artist free version. Right, until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.